my name is Karman Thinle, and I have been working in this institution, Tibetan Children's Village, since last almost now 30 years in different responsibilities. Before I was taking care about sponsorship, and now in administration. So our work is to help our children in every facilities, because our existence in exile is to get back to Tibet one day. And this mission is not only by His Holiness alone doing all this for all the Tibetan, and not only for Tibetan. He wants to create Tibet as a zone of peace for the world, to create peace. So everyone has a responsibility to initiate his own individual effort. So my part is to do whatever I have been assigned to do in this institute. So right from the child, I have been asked the importance of our existence, because as said by my friends before, that right from the born to till death, we all are bound to depend on others. So we have to have some sort of effort to create atmosphere and to initiate to become a good human being and to help others to understand others' suffering. And being a Tibetan, our mission is to preserve our culture, identity, and our religion, and our cultures, rich cultures. And it is not possible that has to be happen in Tibet, because under the Chinese invention, everything is controlled by Chinese. Now, being in independent democratic country, we are free to do all these sort of preservations. So we are doing our all efforts in preserving our culture, identity, and religion in our means, and then helping this younger generation to be a very healthy and good human being, to be a good human being, and to create a good atmosphere in this destructive world. So we hope that this small community can initiate a big effort in future with the help of His Holiness advice, His Holiness teachings. So we hope this will happen one day, that once the Tibet will be free, and it will be a peace of zone where the peace will separate all over the world. Thank you.